Step-by-step guide, retiring in Mexico. Ask yourself the hard questions. Get honest with yourself. Questions to ask. What am I really looking for? Adventure? Peace? Affordability? Reinvention? Can I emotionally handle being far from family and friends? Am I comfortable with change, or do I resist it? Can I afford to live in Mexico on my current budget or pension? Do I want to rent or own a home? Am I willing to learn or try to learn Spanish? Do I want to live among expats or live in a more local setting? How will I handle healthcare, emergencies, and legal documents? What's my plan if it doesn't work out? Can I return easily? Am I willing to be uncomfortable while I grow? Step-by-step relocation guide. Research where you might want to live. Visit cities like Merida, San Miguel de Allende, Ajijic, Oaxaca, Puerto Vallarta, and Mazatlan. Consider weather, walkability, safety, expat community, internet, and hospitals. Visit first. Don't just leave. Come for 1 to 3 months. Rent a place in a neighborhood. Shop at local markets and live like a local. Budget for real life. Estimate monthly costs. Rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and healthcare. Include cushion money for surprise expenses. Understand the visa process. Apply for a temporary resident visa, valid up to 4 years. Income requirements, monthly, pension, or savings. It all varies by consulate. After 4 years, you can apply for permanent residency. Sort out healthcare. Explore Seguro Popular, IMSS, or private insurance options. Understand what your Medicare does not cover abroad. Simplify and downsize. Sell or donate most belongings. Consider what really matters. Shipping costs can outweigh value. Legal and financial prep. Inform Social Security and banks of your move. Ensure debit credit cards work in Mexico. Get a will or power of attorney for both countries. Learn basic Spanish. You don't need fluency, but greetings, shopping, numbers, and directions help. Locals appreciate effort. Prepare emotionally. You'll feel excited, then lost, and then free. Be patient with yourself. Culture shock is real. Homesickness will come and go. Make friends slowly. Join expat meetups, local workshops, or volunteer. Real community takes time, but it's worth it. Common challenges to expect. Loneliness and isolation, especially living alone or far from expats. Frustration with bureaucracy, banking, utilities, and permits. Language barrier in rural or less touristy places. Cultural misunderstandings or adjusting to slower service. Homesickness and guilt over leaving loved ones. Healthcare access in more remote areas. I hope this helps you find your way and answer some questions. Take care.